Hello class and welcome back. This is number 3 in our series of C# programs. I have another debug exercise I'm going to go and fix. So first off, I see that class has some red lines. I'm just going to go run it and see what happens. Not much. Okay, so class has too many S's. I'm going to take that out because class is a keyword in C#. Using static system.console, that's fine, except we also need to let it know that we're using system as well. So up here at the top, we're going to type in using system. There we go. Just to make sure. We have a static void main. We need to make sure that that is public so that our IDE can find our main method and actually start from there. Also, main is spelled wrong. We need to take that out and spell it correctly. M-A-I-N. Okay, let's go ahead and run it and see what happens here. The program lists numbers 1 to 5 vertically, but it's not vertically, it's horizontally. So how can we fix that? Well, we need to do a right line. Not a right, but a right line. So I'm going to copy that, put it in these. Time. So right line at the end of the line that it's writing is just hitting the enter button and it's going down to the next line. If you just do a right, it tacks on the very next thing right next to it. It doesn't hit that enter button to go down. And I think that's it. Alright, so that is it for number 3. Let me know if you have any issues and we'll see you in the next video.